The work package 4 results from the joint collaboration of all partners and deals with the development and demonstration of cognitive technologies developed in laboratory within the work package 3, integrated with the cognitive automation platform called CAP. The CAP is based on the reference architecture shaped in work package 2 and presents 4 levels of cognitive functions: industrial IoT connections, smart event processing, knowledge data models, and AI-based decision support. These technologies will be showcased in the selected use case of asphalt, steel, and pharma, integrating the different smart technologies developed within the work package 3, where a toolbox of cognitive solutions for sensing, control, operations, and planning is being developed. The integrated cognitive solutions will be targeted to different users' profiles, so planners, managers, or workers in the plant. The challenge is to facilitate the digital transformation in process industry according with Industry 4.0 guidelines and European Green Deal initiative. Process industry shows a poor level of innovation, plant use less advanced technologies and tools, workers and operators have poor digital background and skills. The expected disruption in process industry would come from the digitalization of plants with chance to optimize the efficiency, flexibility, and time to market. The proposed software framework aims to provide a modular and scalable solution to be integrated with existing equipment and sensors. Specific blueprints will be delivered with the purpose to describe how to best use the CAP framework to implement cognitive solutions in specific industrial sectors, remaining agnostic to the specific pilot and generic enough to represent the industrial sectors in CAPRI. Process industry is one of the leading sectors in the world economy, characterized by difficult environmental conditions, low innovation, and very consumption of electricity. There is huge demand toward the dual objective of improving the efficiency of plant and products while reducing consumption of electricity and CO2 emissions. Digital technologies with process design using digital twins can combine the physical and virtual worlds, bringing innovation with great efficiency and drastic reduction of waste. The CAP is based on open source software with a modular scalable architecture and can be deployed both in greenfield and brownfield settings, thus decreasing the investment and facilitating the adoption of integrated digital solutions.